This breaks down to 3, 2 square root of 2, which is 6. That should be a 2 there. 6 square root of 2. This one breaks up as square root of 4, square root of 3. This is a 2 times 5 is 10. 10 square root of 3. The square root of 16 is 4. 16 times 4 is 64. Square root of 20 breaks up into 4 and 5, so it's 2 square root of 5. Final answer is 24 square root of 5. Square root of 100 is 10. Answer is 500. Pick a number from 1 to 20. Winning numbers today are 2, 7, 10, 15, and 18. Objective for today is to simplify like terms. This is a review from earlier on. Flashcards. (5x). Negative 9x. Can't do anything with this. Exponents are different. Cannot add terms that have different exponents. (11x to the third). Negative 3x. Put them in alphabetical order. (4x plus 2y). Negative 3y. The x's cancel out. Plus x minus x is going to be 0. Three x plus 4y. Cancel, cancel. 3x plus 4y. Zero. Cancel, cancel. Everything is gone. Five x. Negative 4x. Cancel, cancel. Minus 2 is minus 4. Negative x minus 4y. 3 plus 1 is 4. 8x minus 2y minus 1. Negative x plus 2x is x. Minus 3x is negative 2x. Plus x is negative x. And plus 2x would simply be x. Nine x minus 6y. Here's the first example. We have 3 times the quantity x minus 2 minus 2 times the quantity x plus 2. You have to multiply through by the 3 first. 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. Here multiply by the minus 2 to get minus 2x, and then minus 4. Go back and simplify like terms. 3x minus 2x is x. Minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10. Example 2. You have to multiply through by the 7. 7 times x is 7x. 7 times minus 3 is minus 21. 4 times x is 4x. And 4 times 5 is 20. 7x plus 4x is 11x. Minus 21 plus 20 is minus 1. On the practice problem, it should be 6x minus 18 minus 4x plus 4. 6x minus 4x is 2x, and a negative 18 plus 4 is minus 14. Answer on this bonus is x squared over y. Here's another bonus. Answer on this one is y over x. Here's another bonus. Answer on this one is x to the 8th over y to the 4th. You should have 5x minus 15, 5x minus 15, and then plus 4x plus 40. 5x plus 4x is 9x, and a minus 15 plus 40 is plus 25. Answer is 0 for the bonus. Answer on this bonus is 11x minus 5y. Answer on this bonus is negative 3x plus 2y. This problem. you should have negative 3x times 2x, which is a negative 6x squared. Negative 3x minus 1 is minus 3x. Two x times 5x is 10x squared minus 2x. Negative 3x times 3x is negative 9x squared, and then negative 3x times 3 is minus 9x. Answer on this one should be 12x squared plus 18x. A negative 2 times a negative 4 is a positive 8. X times x is x squared. A negative 2x times a negative 1 is a plus 2x. We do not write things like this. 8x squared minus a negative 2x. We don't write things with two signs in there. It's not going to count. That's unsimplified. Mid-class lottery. Pick a number from 1 to 10. The winning numbers are 2, 5, and 8. Example number 3. In this case, you multiply two binomial expressions together. Each one has two terms. You start with the first one in the first quantity. X times x is x squared. X times 5 is 5x. You're finished with that first x. Now go to the minus 3. Negative 3 times x minus 3x. Negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. Simplify like terms. 5x minus 3x is 2x. Everything else stays the same. X squared minus, or x squared plus 2x minus 15. Example number 4. X minus 3, x minus 10. You start with the first x. X times x is x squared. X times minus 10 is minus 10x. You're finished with the x. Go to the minus 3. Minus 3 times x is minus 3x. And negative 3 times negative 10 is plus 30. Negative 10x minus 3x is negative 13x. The final answer is x squared minus 13x plus 30. This will be example 5a. Actually 4a, but we'll call it 5a. Quantity squared of x plus 2 plus quantity squared of x minus 3. You have to square the first quantity. Squaring the first quantity is the same as doing x plus 2, x plus 2. Then add to that x minus 3, x minus 3. Multiply each one out first. If you multiply the first one on the left, you would end up with x plus 2x plus 2x plus 4. And then on the right side you would have x, actually that's x squared at the beginning over there, and then you would have x squared minus 3x plus 9. Simply follow the same rules that we did before. Start here, multiply there and there. Start here, multiply there and there. Same for the other side. Once you get that, you have to add like terms. X squared and x squared. 2x squared. They are now gone. You have 2x and 2x. That's 4x. 4x minus 3x is x. Minus 3x is a negative 2x. Those are now gone. And then you have a 4 plus 9. That would be 13. Final answer is 2x squared minus 2x plus 13. Square this. If you're going to square this, square the first term. Here's a shortcut. Square this term. And square this term for the back end. Plus 1. But now you have minus 1 that's going to appear in there. The minus 1 is really minus x minus x. You see two of them in there. Or you can just multiply that number by 2 and then put an x beside it. X squared minus 2x plus 1. You can do the same thing over here. X squared times by 2 to get 4x, and then plus 4 from when you square that. X squared and x squared is not x to the fourth. It is 2x squared. Negative 2x plus 4x is 2x, and 1 plus 4 is 5. On this bonus, it is not a difference of two squares. It is x minus 5 times x minus 5. That's x squared minus 10x plus 25. Most of you turned in what would have been x minus 5, x plus 5. That's a difference of two squares, which is x squared minus 25. This is not a difference of two squares.